In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do an uppercut in the strongest battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily execute an uppercut. As you can see, it is a nice way to disrupt your opponent, and you will be able to do it at the end of your combo. So all that you have to do to perform an uppercut is to hold space while you do 4 M1s. So basically, you will do 3 normal M1s, and by the time the 4th goes out, you need to be holding space, as you can see here. By doing this, you will be able to do an uppercut, and you will throw your opponent upwards. Now, if you are too late, this is what's gonna happen. You will just do the usual 4th M1, and then you will jump later. And if you try to do it too early, even though it might go out, you will instead see a down slam, or your character might jump while doing the uppercut. So you kind of want to start holding space by the time the 3rd one goes out, and if you are able to get it properly, you should be able to see the uppercut at the end like this. And you will be able to do it as any character. This also works for mobile and other platforms. You just have to make sure that you are pressing the jump button as you do your 4th M1. So it should look something like this. You do 1, 2, 3 M1s, and then by the 4th goes out, you start holding space, and you will be able to do the uppercut. Your character should be launched directly up like this. They will fall for a little bit, and it's a nice way to disrupt your opponents. You will be able to do it as any character like I mentioned, and of course I'm doing this on a private server against a dummy, but you can obviously do it against real players in an actual server. Depending on your timing, you will also be able to jump while you do the uppercut, which looks kind of funny, but either way the uppercut will go out, and that's the important part. So practice the timing. On an offline server, you will be able to do 1, 2, 3 M1s, start holding space by the time the 4th goes out, and you will do the uppercut. So that's all you have to do. Do 3 M1s and then start holding space by the time the 4th M1 goes out, and you will be able to do an uppercut. I hope I was able to help you on how to do uppercut in the strongest battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.